Hello everybody, I'm Chris.
And I'm Sue.
Today's a big day for us. We're going to do our debt reveal video. We're going to show you our whiteboard and explain exactly where we're at. So our dry erase board we keep in our living room. It shows us exactly where our debts are. It's all itemized out and it shows us our grand totals.
So by keeping this in our living room, it makes it so it's always available to us, and it helps us to prioritize what our goals are.
Simplifies it so that I can always look at all of our debt and I don't have to have her look up something on the computer and vice versa. If she wants to look at our total, she can do that without me having to pull something up on the computer. It also brings all of our debts that we brought into the marriage into one place.
All right, so this is our magnificent whiteboard, and we've erased all our totals at the moment, and I'll be filling them in so you can read our handwriting. And I guess we'll get started.
So let's go in order on our whiteboard from top to bottom, starting with the very top here is our day one total, $90,172. That's the number that we came up with when we finally sat down and had our real where are we at meeting. How bad is this thing?
All right, so you may notice this little 28 in the corner. So to try and keep ourselves on track, since sometimes the days slip away, we attempt to always do this on the 28th, since every single month has 28 days.
The next thing down on the list is the total we had at the end of last month. We moved that from our this month column to the last month column at the beginning of each whiteboard session. All right, now we have to cheat a little bit. We got to skip ahead so we can actually itemize out everything that's on the list. So the first one that we're going to talk about is my car. Hers is actually paid off, thank goodness. So my car, the total is $13,153. Next one down is the KeyBank credit card, which has a total of $5,130. Next up is our least favorite category, the student loans. Starting with one of Sue's student loans for first mark, we call it first mark number 2 because number 1's already been paid off.
Yeah!
$3,856.
3,856.
Next up, first mark number 3, also one of Sue's loans, $4,653. Next down the list is Discover student loan. That is $6,017. Next we get into my student loans. I only have 2 student loans, but they definitely are the bulk of it. They're both through Navient. The first one is $3,647. The next one up, Navient number 2, this is the big kahuna. This is $26,555. We always also total up the student loans category, so the total for this month is $44,728.
Sad face.
Sad face. The last itemized debt on our list is a furniture store line of credit. That's at 0% interest, $2,700.
So you'll notice this column hanging out over here. So again, to help create some drive, this is the set of payoff dates for everything if we only made the minimum payments, which some of these, it feels like an eternity.
All right, the scary part, the grand totals. The grand total for this month, when you add all of our itemized debts, is $65,711.
Oof, if there was room, I'd put another sad face there.
Next one over is going to be the difference between last month and this month. That number is $2,360. The next one that we have to fill in is actually one that we're not going to be able to do with any of the information that's on here. This is something we pull from our budgeting app. That is how much money we actually paid to make that difference. That total was $2,765 on our debt payments out of pocket for the month. That leaves us with the difference between that and this difference up here of $405. That is our amount lost to interest, or as we used to call it, the price of being poor.
So that is our whiteboard for this month, and of course this is a monthly installment for us, so we'll be sharing those videos with you every single month until these are all gone. So leave a comment below if you guys do something like this, and we'll see you in the next one.